Hello students, today I'm going to be showing you how to add content to a PowerPoint slide and how to make a PowerPoint. We are going to use PowerPoint, you are going to use PowerPoint with your partner, and you are going to make a PowerPoint presentation of a certain exercise that I give you. And throughout this PowerPoint, you're going to need to give me the history of the exercise, pictures of the exercise, how the exercise is performed, and then when you stand up and present this presentation, you're actually going to be doing the exercise. This way I know that you know how to do the exercise. So let's get started. So you're going to go type in and you're going to go to PowerPoint. And what it's going to do is this is going to pop up and it's going to go right here. And what you're going to type in, you can do right here. These are all different types of PowerPoints that you can do. For now, I'm just going to do a blank presentation so I can show you how to add content and how to make it your own. So what I'm going to name this is Crunches. And then what you're going to put is your name and your partner's name, and then my name. Okay, so what you can do with this is if you double click this is where all of your designs come in. And if you right click on that, you can change the color of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change it to a purple. And then I'm going to change the font, and you can have fun with it and change the font to however you want. Don't get too carried away because I'm not going to take points off for how it looks, or I'm not going to add extra credit to how it looks. So if you want to add designs, that's great. So what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to do insert, and what I'm going to do is new slide. But I don't want it to look like this. So this is what it is right now. I'm actually going to do a title content, and on this slide it is going to be the history of the exercise, and then you're going to give me a couple bullet points of the history, and then I would like you to add a picture of the exercise. Each slide, I want you to have at least one picture. That way it makes the slide look more presentable. And if you're wanting to do a certain design on your PowerPoint, you can come up here to the design tab and click however many designs you want. Now it will change your whole entire PowerPoint as you see over here. So I'm just going to go with this. Actually, I do not like that one. I'm going to go with that one. And if you come up here, you see it changes it. And then what I'm going to do is go back to insert and do a new slide. And I'm going to do a to content. And this is where you're going to upload a picture of you and your partner both doing the exercise. So on the left side, it's going to be one person. On the other side, it's going to be the other person. And then, so I'm just going to add here so you'll know, partner pictures. And then in this moment, this is when you're going to actually perform the exercise in front of everyone. Don't worry, I know it can be kind of awkward standing up in front of the whole class and doing it, but it's going to be okay. Everyone's new to this, so trust me, everyone's going to be right at square one. And basically what I want y'all to, the reason I'm telling y'all to perform the exercise for me is because I need to make sure that I know how you are doing this certain exercise, and I need to make sure that you know how to do it and the benefits of it. So speaking of benefits, you are going to add a new slide, and on the fourth slide, it is going to be the benefits of that exercise. And then you're just going to give me a couple of the benefits of it. And actually on this slide, you don't have to have a picture of it, considering on the first two, you're going to have a picture on it. And on your title page, you do not have to have a picture. of it, but if you want to make it more appealing, or if you just want to add a picture of it, don't be afraid, you can. Like I said, I'm not going to take points off, and I'm not going to add points. So if you're wanting to do a transition, you go up to the transition right here, and what this does is when you present the PowerPoint, that certain slide is going to do that. So if you see right there, I pressed push, and it does that. So when you press play, that is what's going to happen. And you can do the same thing with animation. So that one is going to go like that, and then it's going to fly. Well, actually, I don't think you can do that. Okay, so after all of that is done, then your presentation is done. And this is due the 28th of February. So make sure that you will have class time to get this done with your partner, and I will take the time out and give yourself a partner. You're not going to pick your partner. I'm going to give it to you. And we're going to have 1 day of research, and then we're going to have 1 to 2 days of getting your presentation together. And then on that 4th day, we're going to do presentations. So you better be ready on that 4th day. So on that 3rd day, hopefully you're done with your presentation, you can practice with your partner that presentation. So thank you all for joining, and I hope that this helps you with learning how to make a presentation for PowerPoint.